大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use since or ever since in Chinese. In the beginning, test your understanding of the video, which is about celebrating my mother's birthday without translation. After that, listen to the Chinese story again with translation. Let's get started.
自从我搬到大城市工作后，我就很少有时间和妈妈逛街买东西。周末，为了庆祝妈妈的生日，我特地回了一趟家。妈妈看到我回来后，非常的高兴。她迫不及待地开始计划周末的行程。爸爸就有点担心自己的钱包，因为每次我和妈妈出去逛街都会买很多东西，然后要她买单。星期六的早晨，我们吃完早餐后，妈妈告诉我市中心开了一间新的百货公司，她一直都很想去，但是没人陪她去。听后，我便跟她说，今天你是主角，你想去哪儿就去哪儿。想买什么就买什么。爸爸听后捏了一把冷汗。我看后便笑着对我爸说：“爸，别担心，今天的费用全包在我身上。”我爸这时才露出从未见过的灿烂的笑容。我们来到百货商店后，就被它的装潢给吓呆了。百货公司不仅庞大，店面也非常的多样化。我们都不知道要怎么逛才好。这时，妈妈被一间卖衣服的店给吸引住了。她看中了一件连衣裙，说是她一直想买的款式。买之前，妈妈检查衣服的质量和价格。她总是告诉我要理智购物，不要乱花钱。这让我学到了不少。买完妈妈的生日礼物后，我看到爸爸挺无聊的，就推荐到餐馆吃午饭。百货公司里有个美食街，餐厅的种类繁多，决定起来还真不容易。我们走着走着，经过一间融合菜餐厅。爸妈停住了脚步，看了看餐厅的菜单，觉得很不错，就决定在那用餐。我们一边品尝美食，一边谈论妈妈刚买的连身裙。逛着逛着，就到了傍晚时分。我们都觉得累了，便决定回家。回家之前，我买了一个草莓奶油蛋糕和打包一些食物。用完餐后，我把蛋糕拿出来，放好蜡烛，还给妈妈唱了生日歌。妈妈许了愿后，我们一边吃蛋糕，一边谈论今天的购物之旅。母亲说她很高兴，但又觉得很过意不去，因为让我破费了。 我对妈妈说，这是我应该做的。
注释 notes how to use 自从自 or 从自从 is a Chinese phrase that is equivalent to ever since or since in English. It is often used to indicate the starting point of a period or duration. When used in a sentence, it typically precedes a specific time or event to convey the idea of something happening or changing from that point onward. The sentence structure for using 自从 can be 自从 plus starting point, which is in the past, or 自从 plus 以来 or 自从 plus 以后. Let's use the sentence in the video. 自从我搬到大城市工作后，我就很少有时间和妈妈逛街买东西。For this sentence, it is possible to change 自从 to 自 or 从 and 后 to 以后 or 以来. So the sentence structure would be 自我搬到大城市工作以后 or 从我搬到大城市工作以来。从 is the least formal, 自从 is formal, whereas 自 is the most formal. 以后 is least formal, 后 is formal, and 以来 is most formal. Let us take a look at another two sentences whereby you can change 自从 to 自 or 从从我开始工作以后，我就没时间去旅行。You can change 从 to 自 or 自从。So you can say 自我开始工作以后 or 自从我开始工作以后。The second sentence 从毕业以来，他就一直在打工。You can change 从 to 自 or 自从。The sentence will be 自毕业以来，他就一直在打工。or 自从毕业以来，他就一直在打工。When the starting point of action is in the present or future, you cannot change 从 or 自 to 自从. Let's take a look at this sentence. 从现在开始，我们必须努力工作。or 自现在开始，我们必须努力工作。So for this sentence, you cannot change to 自从. So it is wrong to say 自从现在开始，我们必须努力工作。Let's take a look at this sentence. 这句话是从我自他口里说出来的。For this sentence, you also cannot change 从 or 自 to 自从 because the starting point is referring to a place or an exit point. So you cannot say 这句话是自从他口里说出来的。What about this sentence? 我们班里有很多来自美国的学生。For this sentence, you also cannot change to 自从 because 来自 means from in English rather than since. If you want to use 从 or 自 in this sentence, the correct sentence should be 我们班里有很多从美国来的学生 or 我们班里有很多自美国来的学生。Please take note that the 从 and 自 does not mean since. Rather, it still means from in English. How to use 自古以来自古以来 is a Chinese phrase that can be translated as since a long time ago or throughout history. It is often used to refer to a long historical period, emphasizing a tradition that has persisted over the years. When this expression is used, it conveys a sense of enduring customs, practices, or principles that have been observed from ancient times until the present. Let's take a look at this sentence using 自古以来。自古以来，他们家的豆腐都是这么制作的。You can change 自古以来 to 从古以来 but not 自从古以来。Other ways of saying are 从很久以来，他们家的豆腐都是这么制作的 or 从很久开始，他们家的豆腐都是这么制作的。今天的视频到此结束。希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。